What's up YouTube, Generation here with another awesome video. In today's video, I'm gonna be changing the water pump on my BMW n55i. Coming up. So as you can see guys, I already got my car on ramps. Right here. Got some blankets. Got the coolant over here from BMW. I got the thermostat. And the water pump. Right here. See? Yeah, I'm gonna have a link on the description down below so you can order yours. I bought all this from FCPEURO. They offer you a lifetime warranty, so I really recommend you to use FCPEURO if you're gonna buy something like this. So yeah, now let's get on there and start taking everything apart. Okay guys, as you can see, I already removed all the plastic that was on the bottom. I got loose the sway bar right here, you see. I also got loose this part. I already take out the thermostat, it's right here. And now I'm going to take out the water pump, but it's very uncomfortable. It's a little hard to reach to the last hose that is connected. So I'm having a problem with this. One thing I noticed when I take out the thermostat is that it has a crack over here, and the gasket is not completely sealed. So that made me think that maybe my water pump is still good, but because the thermostat was cracking here, that's why it was overheating. I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna replace the water pump too, but it's something to keep in mind. Maybe the thermostat is the one that always breaks, and that's why it overheats, and it's not the water pump. But that's good to know. Okay, I saw a couple videos of how to take it out, but I don't know why I see some parts that are different on my car than what I saw in the videos. Maybe because my car is an n55, not the n54. I don't know if that will change that much, but with the video that I saw, they just take out this part and the sway bar, leave it loose, and it should come out easily. And also they go behind the water pump to reach the hose that I have to take out. But if I take this plate out, I don't have space to reach the water pump. So I don't know, maybe it's because my car is an n55 or because my car is an all-wheel drive. I don't know, it's different. So I'm having a little headache in here. We made it guys, it's out finally. Old, new, old, new. It's literally the same thing. Oh, there goes some coolant. Yeah, I bought this on FCPEURO, so I'm gonna have the link down in the description so you can go and check it out if you need one. They give you lifetime warranties, very awesome. So yeah, now let's put it back together. So something I learned when I take out the water pump is that you don't have to take out this hose. This goes in here and connect to the water pump. So yeah, just don't lose your time like I did taking out an extra hose. So yeah, this goes right here. So you only have to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hoses, 6 with this one. So yeah, keep that in mind so you don't do the extra job that I have to do now. So guys, as you can see, everything is back together. The water pump is right here. The thermostat is right here. Let me see, I don't know if you can see it. Right there. So I did remove this and remove the sway bar. This sway bar. See, I have to adjust it so I can have more space to take it out and in when I put the new one. Alright, so everything is back together, guys. It's very simple. It's a little uncomfortable because of the small space that you have to work with, but other than that, it's very simple. It's just like 4 screws, 4 bolts, and yeah, 2 plugs and like 6 hoses that you have to disconnect. That will be all. It's very easy, very simple.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, so for some reason my car doesn't want to bleed the cooling system. I have been trying a couple times already and it's not activating the water pump. So I don't know, maybe I messed up one of the 2 hoses, or I didn't plug in correctly the plug. So yeah, I just find a new way of how not to replace a water pump. Let me show you. Alright, so we are inside the car now. Let's put the key in, right? Then we turn it on, but not the engine. We put the heater on the maximum temperature, but the lowest setting, and then we just press the gas pedal for 12 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4,
12 seconds later.
11, 12. Let go, and the water should be working right now, but for some reason it's not working. Go outside. See? You're not able to hear anything. For some reason it's not working, guys. I don't know. I think I have to take everything back again and try to put it back together again. Let's see what I did wrong. But yeah, so that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoy. And whatever was my mistake, I'm gonna tell you on the next video. So if you're gonna do this yourself, you don't make my mistakes. But yeah, we'll see. Remember, this is an n55. I don't know if that's why it's a little different, but whatever I find out, I'm gonna let you know, guys. Okay, so if you like the video, please hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button over there for more content. And yeah, hope to see you on the next video with good news. Peace out. Bye.
A few moments later.
So I'm here with my little boy, my son, and I'm gonna ask him what color he thinks my car should be wrapped next. Like what color he would like to see my car. Alright? Let me ask him. So tell me, what color do you think my car will look best wrapped?
I think the inside red, then the outside blue, and then the line it will be green.
Okay, so
and then the stickers for daddy, and then the last sticker like a dinosaur, a little baby.
You want a dinosaur?
Or egg dinosaur. And then pretty much you can like paint the wheels or something.
Yeah, I can paint the wheel. What color?
What about white?
White wheels. So you want the car blue?
So when it's like snowy time, you can't see it.
Okay. So you want the car all blue, and then the stripe, you want it green?
Yeah. Or you can paint this.
So the car blue and this line green, right?
Yeah.
And white wheels?
And you can paint this, and you can paint like this, like yellow.
Nah, yellow I don't like it. So
like a
white.
banana car.
No, it's not a banana car. So you want white wheels?
Yeah, just white a banana.
White wheels?
Yes. And what a banana here.
All right.
A banana.
So guys, I think I'm gonna wrap my car blue with green stripe.
Or you can paint this.
I'm not sure about the green stripe yet, but
You can paint this.
no, I cannot paint that. All right.
You can
So
paint
thank you.
this.
See you on the next video, guys. Just want to add that to the video.
You can paint it black.
Say bye.
You can paint it black.
Okay.
Bye.
Wow.